that beautiful girl. Look at her. Say hi, Freddie. Freddie. Fry Hop, you need a bath so bad. You do. You need a bath, big girl. Want to go have a shower? You got your perch in the shower. Freddie, where are you going? Aw. Okay. That's what we're going to do. We're going to try to get you a shower. Good girl. That's a good girl. Hi. You going to come over here? Go sit with me? Come sit on my lap. Come on. Come on. She usually comes when she's called now. She's a good girl. And before she'll take any food, she asks, want some? Actually, she makes me ask that before she'll take it. And she'll try anything. Yes, she will. Come on. Come on, good girl. You beautiful baby. Most beautiful eyes. Yes, you do. You most beautiful eyes. Okay.